Hey everyone, Samantha here with a breaking news update. On the evening of May 17th, 2025, the Mexican Navy's tall ship, Cuauhtémoc, collided with the Brooklyn Bridge in New York City. The incident occurred around 8:30 p.m. as the ship was departing from Pier 17 during its international goodwill tour. Tragically, two crew members lost their lives. Cadet America Yamilet Sanchez and sailor Adal Jair Marcos. Sanchez, a 20-year-old award-winning swimmer from Veracruz, and Marcos, from Oaxaca, were both on the masts when the collision happened. Additionally, 19 others were injured, with at least two in critical condition. The Cuauhtémoc, a 300-foot training vessel with a 160-foot main mast, was carrying 277 people at the time. As it attempted to maneuver away from the dock, the ship lost power and drifted backward into the bridge, causing all three masts to snap upon impact. Witnesses described a chaotic scene, with sailors left dangling from the rigging and onlookers screaming in shock. Emergency responders, including the NYPD Harbor Unit and FDNY, quickly arrived on the scene to assist. Fortunately, no one fell into the water, and the Brooklyn Bridge sustained no major structural damage. Traffic on the bridge resumed shortly after an inspection. The Cuauhtémoc had departed from Acapulco on April 4th as part of a 170-day journey to commemorate the 200th anniversary of Mexico's naval independence, with plans to visit 22 ports in 15 countries. The ship remains docked as investigations by the U.S. Coast Guard and National Transportation Safety Board are underway to determine the exact cause of the crash. Mexican President Claudia Sheinbaum and New York City Mayor Eric Adams have expressed their condolences to the victims' families. The Mexican Navy has pledged to support the families and ensure a thorough investigation into this tragic incident. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates as this story develops.